Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a First Move Tango, not to be confused with a First Move Tango cross. In a tango, you move the same direction as your partner. In the cross, you're going in opposite directions to your partner. You need to know how to do a first move already, link in the description below, and you're going to need to know how to do ochos, but we'll cover that in a moment. So the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1. Now you could do the crossing motion we were doing, the ochos, in one count or two. So we did the fast timing then, but the slow timing is good too. First off, let's see if we can do some of those on our own. So if we just face the front, we're going to turn to our left, place our weight on our left, and we're only actually going to be walking forwards, so we just take a step forward onto the right. We're now going to turn to our right, and as we do so, we're not going to change our weight, but we are going to collect our back foot, and then we're going to step forwards onto the left. When we turn to the left, we collect the foot, no weight change, step forward onto the right. So you get rotation, and then step, rotation, and then step. It is easier on a slippery floor, and it is easier when you have a partner because you can actually help each other a little bit. But we are definitely looking for a feeling of stepping forwards and stepping forwards. We want to avoid the feeling of stepping across ourselves. So we don't want it to be looking like we're going over, we want it to look like we're going through and through. Okay, so let's break it down. It's going to be easier the first time, I think, if guys are on this side. So we go semicircle back, looks like a standard first move. We come in. Probably better if you go right hand onto the lady's shoulder blade for this one. When you twist the ladies out, they're going to go back with their right foot, guys. We're actually going to go back with our left, and we're going to weight it. So we're in a nice symmetrical position. As we bring the lady around, we're going to lead her to step through the middle to our right on her outside foot. And guys, we're going to do the same with our outside foot. So ladies right, guys left. We come through and step, and then as we transfer the weight, we rotate to look the other way, and we step with what's now the inside leg. Guys right, ladies left, and let's just repeat. We come through and we come through. You could do that as many times as you like, and from here all we're going to do is lead the lady out into a return and face, and that's the whole thing. So let's do the same thing from the other side and talk numbers. So we go back 1, in 2, twist out 3. We could do this slower, but we're going to do the fast timing now. So we come through the middle 4, and through the middle 5, and again 6, and again 7, leading a return 8, and back 1. There are various points in there. You could slow it down and take an extra count. You might want to take an extra count as you go into the first cross. That's all fine. Okay, so let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6, a First Move Tango. It's a back, in, twist, through, 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 return, and back. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Do take your time with that one, because doing it well, slowly, and then gradually building up to faster versions is probably a good way to go. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.